All right, I want to make sure that everybody understands how to complete guiding your food choices. So I'm going to do it for you. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Super Tracker, and I've adjusted the link because the link wasn't working right. So you can either then go to create a profile, and if you create your profile, you use your school email address, or you can use the general plan. I would suggest creating a profile, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to use the general plan. So when you click on the general plan, it's going to give you a 2,000 calorie diet. Then you're going to use the food tracker to input your information that you've eaten and drank for 24 hours. So we'll go to the food tracker. So you go up to the top to the food tracker, and you're going to input your food. So if for breakfast you had cereal, you would click cereal, and then it's going to give you a list of cereals. So then you can choose, let's see, I had Apple Jacks cereal. So I'll add Apple Jacks, and then you must choose the amount. So maybe I had a cup and a half of cereal for breakfast, and then you add it to your food tracker. And then you had to have some milk with it. So then you would type in milk, and I had 2% milk with my food tracker. So then again, I'm going to add the amount, 1 cup of 2% milk. And you can see as I'm adding this, not only is it being posted in your food tracker under the amount of calories it's got, but also on the side here, you can see your daily food groups, and your recommendations is your target, and what you've eaten is underneath. So far, I've had 1 ounce of grains and 1 cup of dairy. And it will keep track. It'll keep track up here in the chart, and then it will keep track on the graph also. Okay. Oh. And then you want to continue. Too often, I try to, there we go. You want to continue with your food from lunch. So for lunch, if you're going to have, maybe for lunch I'm going to have macaroni and cheese. And then it's going to give you options again. So macaroni and cheese made from a packaged mix. I'll say that, like Kraft macaroni and cheese. So then we just added 1 cup. And again, you want to put it for lunch and add it to your plan. And maybe you also had an apple. And again, you had a raw apple, and you're having that for lunch, and you have to choose the size. I had 1 large apple, and add it to your plan. Same thing for dinner and any snacks you have. Now, even if you have, let's say you have a hot dog. And then on your 1 hot dog on bun, I'm going to have that for dinner. So I'm going to add that to the plan. And then say you had ketchup on your hot dog. You want to add that too, because you want to make sure that you are adding all of the calories, all of the extras, all of the condiments, all of the drinks that you have, because it will help you in the plan. So ketchup. I just want to do ketchup. Let's see what my options are. Oh, it said I could have had, here's tomato ketchup. And then I'm going to add, say I had a packet with my dinner. Okay, you can see just by the 3 small meals that I've had, I'm already up to 1,138 calories. I've met my fruit recommendations. I'm not quite to my grains, but I have 0 vegetables so far. So you can see it's keeping track. Okay, so after you finish this, you want to make sure that you do a screenshot or save the final project. And what you can do there's a directions here to do a screenshot. So once this is done, although it's not done, I'm going to show you. I'll take a screenshot, And then I'll attach this screenshot into my assignment. And then how well do your meal plans follow the recommended foods and number of servings suggested? These are the suggestions up here. The target is your suggestion. So then you're going to answer how well your 24-hour intake meets the recommendations. And then after looking at this, you're going to write 3 specific nutritional goals that will help you better follow the recommendations. Again, be specific. All right, and then you will submit it. If you have any questions, let me know.